Best Adjustable Dumbbells 2026. Look, outfitting a home gym is a massive headache, especially when you're staring at a pile of clunky iron taking up half your floor. I spent the last month sweating through workouts with the most popular pairs on the market to find the best adjustable dumbbells of 2026. I bought these myself, tested the mechanisms, and I'm ready to tell you which ones actually hold up. Product number 1. Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbells, 25-pound set. When I first pulled these Lifepro dumbbells out of the box, the handle really stood out. It's got this textured anti-slip grip that feels solid, even when my hands are dripping with sweat. The adjustment mechanism is snappy. I just gave the handle a quick twist and it clicked right into place. During my overhead presses, I didn't hear any of that annoying clanking you get with cheaper sets. It feels like one cohesive unit. Since these go up to 25 pounds, they're perfect if you're focusing on high-rep toning or accessory work like lateral raises. They're compact enough to slide under my bed when I'm done, which is a huge win for my cramped apartment. If you're just starting out or need something for light to medium lifting without the bulk, these are a reliable pick that won't break the bank. Product number 2. Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbells, 50-pound set. Since I liked the smaller version, I had to see if the 50-pound Lifepro set could handle some heavier abuse. These feel beefier and more substantial in the hand. The cradle design is smart. It keeps the plates aligned so I'm not fumbling around between sets of rows. I noticed the weight distribution stays balanced, which is a big deal when you're pushing for that last rep on a bench press. The quick adjust style is smooth and hasn't jammed on me once, even after a few weeks of daily use. I really appreciate how much space I'm saving here. This one pair replaced a whole rack of weights in my garage. For anyone moving into intermediate lifting who needs that extra heavy resistance for leg days or chest presses, this set is the sweet spot between pro-level quality and home gym convenience. Product number 3. Amazon Basics Adjustable Weight Set. This Amazon Basics set is a bit of a throwback. Instead of a fancy dial, you've got the classic threaded collars and plate system. When I was putting these together, I noticed the carrying case is actually pretty sturdy, which makes it easy to toss in the trunk if you're working out at a park. The iron plates feel old school and tough. It takes a little longer to change weights compared to the twist and go models, but the security is unbeatable. Those collars aren't budging. I felt totally safe doing pullovers without worrying about a plate sliding off. It tops out at 38 pounds total, so it's a bit lighter than some others, but the price is hard to beat. If you're on a tight budget and don't mind spending an extra 30 seconds switching plates, this is a solid, no-frills choice. Product number 4. NordicTrack SelectTech. Holding the NordicTrack dumbbells feels like using premium equipment at a high-end club. The adjustment system uses a smooth slider that's incredibly intuitive. I spent a lot of time switching these back and forth during drop sets, and the speed is impressive. They feel very balanced, which helped me keep my form tight during bicep curls. One thing I noticed is that the grip is a bit thicker than the Lifepro, which actually helped reduce some of the strain on my wrists. The build quality is clearly there. They don't feel plasticky or fragile. These are built for someone who wants a polished experience and plans on using them every single day. If you value a fast transition and a sleek design that looks good in a modern living room, these are definitely worth the investment for your routine. Product number 5. PowerBlock Elite EXP. PowerBlocks have a weird, boxy shape that took me a minute to get used to, but man, they are tough. These things are built from heavy-duty steel, and I could tell the moment I picked them up that they're meant to last forever. The adder weights inside the handle let me fine-tune the increments, which was great for my overhead tricep extensions where 5-pound jumps feel too big. They feel incredibly secure because your hand is essentially inside a cage. My favorite part is that these are expandable. I started with the 50-pound set, but I can add kits later to go up to 70 or 90 pounds. If you're a serious lifter who wants gear that grows with your strength and can take a beating, these are the gold standard. they're the last dumbbells you'll ever need to buy. That's the breakdown of the best sets I've used this year. Whether you want the speed of the NordicTrack or the durability of the PowerBlocks, you really can't go wrong with these. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and I'll see you in the next one.